Meaning of garbo.
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 Garbo. Garbo is a slang term used to describe something of low quality or value, or something that is considered trash or rubbish. The term likely comes from the word garbage, as they share similar meanings. Garbo can also refer to someone or something that is unattractive or unpleasant. The term is typically used in informal settings and is often associated with youth culture and online communication. Although some people may use garbo affectionately, it generally carries a negative connotation.